Meaning of Errol Flynn.
Errol Flynn.
Errol Flynn.
Errol Flynn.
Errol Flynn. Errol Flynn was an actor who rose to fame in the 1930s and 1940s for his swashbuckling roles in adventure films. He starred in many popular titles such as Captain Blood and The Adventures of Robin Hood. Despite his on-screen charm and charisma, Flynn had a scandalous personal life that included allegations of statutory rape and drug use. He died in 1959 at the age of 50. Today, he is remembered as both a Hollywood legend and a controversial figure.